Hello everyone, my name is Hamid. I'm actually working on gold and Bitcoin Forex market are interested in. I hope it's useful and it is be free also. As a first day, actually today I want to explain that's how I'm working, but it's a very related because most of the time I'm using price actions and as you see special indicators or something like that. I hope that it it's not a first, it's a little choppy and still downtrend with Australia time zone, so it's a little maybe confusing, but down of this channel, and if it is channel is say remain valid, it can be positions here, or after this channel is broken is and pullbacks to this channel is I don't know, this is uh, and it seems that it's still going down. For me, its shape is like that. It's come to here, to here. This is the line of 50%, and from here it could be goes down. We have to wait to see what happened next. Still, maybe I can come. New positions, sell in short actually, but it must be broken sharply and prove that it's that the market wants to. We cannot be sure about the movements. Good side, and we can add some more positions. It is actually it's possible to open a new account. These are the first layers that's broken. Previously this goes more down, but at first they are broken and they come back, and it's very important to it seems that the market don't want to go down, but we still have time to remain on our positions. We can add more positions if it comes down. Actually, this reaction to this line is comes down very fast. Down, it is still available to goes up because it's starting to, but also the top of the channel is the line of the channel is also broken, but not a pullback. So for me, it is possible to have a pullback from here again to there. Watch that market wants to how much wants to comes back, because it's about 100% sure that the market will be change the direction and goes back up again. But it's said that if here or here, also possible to take the long position. I'm start waiting for the signal candle, and if where signal candle is coming, we are going to buy. It's not a big buy, it just comes to here, that I make it blue, and again it is the first and this is second. But because I'm working on 1 minute chart, the market can be, so we have to be always know that market can be change the direction very fast, and so it's a good idea to have a stop loss in all your positions. If the price comes up, it is actually just want to show my idea. I'm not working with sell limits or buy limits. I just want to remind to myself that it's here. I want to take we have to have plan for both scenarios. so loud down. That are going, so actually we can lose free these positions. It depends on the margin and also the for me it's because I'm just working with $242 in risk on my account, so actually the time it started to comes down, so I completely risk. At the top of here it is possible to go inside a downtrend position again, because the trend is all way is right now downtrend, and it's very possible to supposed to see in this situation of the market. But I'm think about 40 to 60%. I can be sure that the market is this 40 pips will be comes up, and then it's behind. I'm waiting for the signals bar to open the positions. I'm not put lines, and so if you put any buy stop or sell limit or buy limits, it is very actually with this situation sell limit is a bit risky, because if for example from here it jumps to there, so what you want to do, okay, 50% actually of this channel. Okay, so we can comes up until here, but we have to wait to see the reaction to this moving average. This is moving average of 90 exponential, and in my day trading strategy they are very important. They comes from the 5 minutes charts. Moving average is the okay, we reached to that point that we are expected, but right now we can the signals for sales, but as I told you, this is demanding to comes up. But okay, it seems that the market is still have some reactions to this layer, and if the shape is remain to this, we are going to sell, but we can Okay, it's completely sell right now. 100% we have sell, or it can be comes to here, just a little upper, and then we can open our positions. So it's possible to goes down the market look very fast and change the color of these blocks that are in downtrend. Okay, the market is coming down very fast and reach to the point that start to goes up. This layer is this price start to shivering. It's okay. This goes up again, and we can goes in or goes out. If it's obviously that you waiting to see the reaction to this layer. This layer also important. Uh, if you can take two positions at the same time, for example, one lot, for example, it's just example, you can divide it to two positions. For example, here it is good to take the half the money out and waiting for the reaction of it. If I comes out, I have to take completely comes out from the market. But most of the time, I'm trying. If I'm becomes more, I see the market is very obvious and movement is very sharp. I'm again for right now, the market is moving down, but it's as you see, the layers. This layer is very great. It's not possible to right now add any because it hadn't been broke. It's not able to broken it. Again, this scenario that comes to watch the reaction to the layers. If this layer is broken, also, and again. take a new position with a new conditions of the market. The next movement for me, okay, that layer was broken. So if this layer right now, if this layer is remain in the positions again in sell direction, and okay, it's a pullback, it goes down, wave is remain like that. Let me add a oh, okay, I'm okay, we can but it's okay to open new positions, and we have to wait to the reaction of this layer. As you see, this layer also have a power, it is broken, and again same as here, pull back, everything is okay. It can be, again we can add a new positions, new sell positions, but as you see the market is, make it like this because it can be, I'm okay, I'm right now I'm completely comes up out from the market. I just want to know what happened next. Is it going up? The trend is too selling, and if this trend is remain, and here again the market is make a decision, goes up or goes, okay, okay, if it is remain up, it's obviously can comes here. This layer is two time is broken and don't have enough power to do anything for us right now. To this and again here, and this is, this cell is also okay that we take. Actually we took and because it's very I want to be clear. We can take a buy, but uh, the stop loss is not too far. Stop loss is not too far. As I told you, it's not too far. It's about, for me, it's if it goes to 3, I will close it. My finger is on the $3, just $3, less than $3 also. And here we waiting for the market make a decision. we have to look at the candles. If there is a buy candle there, we have to candle comes up and little, and again we are going to sell. We have to see, as I told you, it can comes up, and right now we can go to sell. If this candle is broken, this layer start to playing with this layer, we are going out. But it depends on the, yeah, as you see, it is sharp right now. If it comes down until here, also we are going out. If euro dollar or something like that will be add to movement are very sharp, and the movement are very use some Forex actions. But in the market, when the market is not moving, very bad. Okay, right now we are waiting for the can. The here is very important. This layer is very important. Right now we have to watch it. For me, it comes down again because we lose and we have to gain it again from the market. And the price will becomes to this blue line, and in this blue line you can take at half of the positions if they come, and our stop loss is also goes here. What happened? stop loss, because the market right now can be changing the direction to a little up and then make a decision that's where it's not yet approved, but also our positions are not in a good shape. I hope that it comes very sharply under this line and again going down. Uh, uh, next, how much it wants goes up, or as you see, it wants to go down. It's okay, it's not a big deal. My stop losses. So the market are not sure about the movement, next movement, as I told you. Okay, no problem. Changing the direction is candle by candle. It has to be proven. It's okay, but we need a signal candle. Comes down under this channel, and okay, it can go up to here, 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 here. But not yet. Okay. If it goes up and again we sell uh, signal bar. Okay, we can right now, if Okay, right now we can take two cells here. And we can take it, take one of this layer. We can take, we can they make a decision. It's not a fixed act down until here also. Uh, Okay, right now I'm going to buy to see each little bit of sign of change direction is for me here. The layers in the top is there, 50 uh, exponential, and this is the target. It can be the target, but if we can reach to there, it's the best. But never the market moving straight like that. So the volume in the 5. So the movement is not to use price action. You can still working even in these conditions. Uh, Today we are made $43 good and reduce a lot of money. It's about more than $20. Uh, Shake the candles, goes down, but more here again. When it's reached to here, I will close. That's two new positions. Market can be change the direction, but it's very obvious because here is broken. It goes up. Full is better, but we have seen. I think it is reached to 50%, but somehow to reach your account, each movement is okay. $2, $4, it's important also. Uh, Again, stock in here, looking for a sharper, but it seems that it's don't want to do that very fast. But it depends on your money management, and for me here is enough. Okay, causes are so it's important. And actually, the crossing of moving average is not very important in the market of the trend actually for me. Trend also, right? But as you know, in the market, everything is 50-50 at least. In the best condition, very good positions at best situation is 40% or 60%. At the best situation, 60% can be reached the goals. So we just can filter the candlestick levels and earn money with all the accounts in each situation. Is take the that's I'm coming back. من گذاشتم. آره قربونتون عزیزم، این قربونتون مرسی زنگ زدید. راستی مامان دیشب دستت زنگ خورد، به تلفن خورده بود زنگ زدی؟ خواب نبودید که جواب ندادم، چون اگه جواب میدادم دیگه آرمین دوباره از اون فاز چیز میومد بیرون. آره ببخشید دیگه. قربونتون برم. آره داد چنین فداتون شم. خدا. My father and my mother calling. The market is going up very sharply. Be exponential. That I'm thinking that we will reach. That's so. We can go out and depends. I don't know why it's not loading. I don't know why this. Uh, I don't know why from 3. with this layer, and also it can be goes up until here for the first. Let's top up this. Okay, if I'm cancel the stop loss because 60%. 60% goes up, and if it goes up, at least it can goes up until here again. Okay, I add two more because I think that it will be comes here, and I will close when it comes here. I will close that positions that take a little up. It has to be proven. Okay, 5 minutes is not really. The, oh my God, what's happened? Is there any? Is there any? Okay. Okay. That's if it's going to send us up again, we can again goes to buy. But if it is go 50 seconds, 30, okay, it's a little comes up and we will finish it. We have to wait to see the reaction, price action to this layer. That these layers are broken, so they don't have a power that much, and right now this is the important blocks for us is here. Averages. So it seems that this broken is fake, and so we can go to buy. again. Market wants to play. It will becomes a little up, and we there. So again, coming out. Unfortunately, the market is movement. Whew. Again. But if we positions going to buy or remain. Okay. Reach to this point here and change the directions completely. Again goes to sell, but Okay, so if we are going to sell, okay, pull back. Therefore, if it comes more up, we can going to sell. Now and again, it is possibility to goes up. If okay, so in the top of here, also it's possible to go up, but it's very sharp and it's not a 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Just one signal is enough positions. We will be added more, but right now the position is okay. So can we take another buy because it can be goes too much high. It's a good idea to take it. Okay, right now I'm take it, and if it's a little here also, when it comes up, remind that's enough to market to this movement. It goes down, unfortunately. Okay, take another buy to the top of the top position. That time I want to close, but unfortunately it's up and we close. That's the upper signals. Uh, okay, the upper, we are in good mood right now. So it can be comes up until here. Okay. Uh, Sorry, I don't know what happens. Uh, okay, but we have to reach to the. It can be pulled back, and if I want to be honest, it must be sorry, bullish, and okay, I'm going to sell. Okay, again, market wants to go up, but my money from the pullback, and then we go to buy again. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it comes more down. If it's remain up of this layer, it can go up. There is no other option. Okay, market wants to go down. A shame. That's if we remain in our shape, but there is no other options. The market always seems like that, and we just be actually right now the market this can go down more. I'm going to sell, but if because as I told you right now the signal is too silly. It's too wants to do. For me it's too bearish. For me it is too bearish, and here these two places are can be imagined that they touch. looking at the 1 hours, you see that still we are here, and I will be come back and pause it. Don't know how. Okay, it comes up and yeah, wait. If it comes here also, I think if the shape of these signals is 6 cell signals, it will we can take another cells, and after 2 or 3 candles comes out, this can come to here, it comes out. There's no need to comes out. If the movement is too sharp, okay, why not? But most of the time the scalping is just in 1 or 2 minutes for me, not more. Yeah, because it's past this layer, just one candle. Okay, and come out from the scalping signal. If I want to add the last figure, I want to see everybody that's what's happened in the past here. I can be back to $62 benefit for more 1 hours I'm working, and then and put some information about how to work and how to earn money in the market. Have a good knowledge of price actions if you want if you want to work in the Forex market. Actually, everything is price, and we just waiting to price shows what they want to do. For the news, actually, it's not really big deals. I don't know. I add news indicators. It's very good and very useful for me. Um, and boom. If you see in the future, they will be show something. Like that. The USD here is a meeting. That's ours. We have some reaction to the news. Most of the time, I don't want to. Okay. If and the other things is okay. waiting for the sell signals. Close them. No. lost a lot of money here. Shame on market because it will have to go down until here, but so the people don't like to go down more. The gold, the price of the gold is too high and it's reasonable to goes down today. But the American traders are not agree. They like to gold. It goes up. Okay. It's a scalping just until there is enough for me. 20 pips, 10 pips. It's enough. Uh, me as a psychology, I want to remain on shape, but in okay, it's very obvious today. Yeah, I think it's because we are going to the news. But yeah, the market is right now. It's not, as I told you, it's a little bit choppy, and again, let me check the news.